Bonnie. Happy Saturday night. I'm on a roll. I'm doing a third video today. My space is working for me now. So I am part of the Ipsy Open Studios program, which means they do send me the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus each month. And then this month, I got a bonus, you guys. How exciting is that? This month is called Stay Golden, and I got an extra special gift, a custom sarong. So that actually looks pretty interesting. I actually might gift this off. How cute is that for summer? And then, like I said, the theme for this month is Stay Golden. So I've got the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus that I'm going to be unboxing. I'll do the little bag first. The Glam Bag has 5 deluxe samples, a 50+ value. The makeup bag is small. I'm just reading this off the screen. And the price is $12 per month. So if you're just looking for an under $15 little, subscription box to try, I do like Ipsy. All the opinions on the products are definitely mine. And then check it out. I don't know why I love this little this little tag here on the end. That's really cute. The zipper tag is a sun with a little blue gemstone in it. So how cool is that? So this is the little bag. So I'm just going to dig into here and see what I have in here. You know what? I think I might have. It's funny when Ipsy sends these. Sometimes everything is in the bag. So I wanted to see 1, 2, 3. Did I get I must have gotten an extra thing, maybe. I don't know. This is really strange. Okay, so I have like 1 extra product here. That's okay though. I'm all good. So I don't know if this one was extra or not, but I know when I opened this, these products that I just took out were in the little bag. So we're going to go with that. Check it out. I like the inside of the bag too. So the card says, this month, everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight. Pat on a shimmer shadow and let the world see you shine. So all kind of like golden products here. So this extra one that I'm thinking is extra is actually the Fenty Beauty, what is this? This is the lip paint. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is huge. Holy moly. I'm not sure this color is going to work for me. This is called Unlocked, but I'll just pass this on to my mother if I don't like the shade. Wow. This is really pretty, you guys. Look at this packaging. I can understand why they put this in the Stay Golden collection. I'm a little bit afraid of lip paint. Just because I don't know if I can get it on quite right, but wow, that's actually really pretty. Look at this. That is actually really gorgeous. Okay, pretty color. I don't know. I wonder if my mom would like that. So I got the lip paint. I also got a I always pronounce this wrong. It's Riogio. This is superfood for your hair. It's an avocado kiwi hair mask. That's always good. I always work in like 1 day a week. I use like a different brand of hair mask than I usually use the Elastine Pro Polythera, but 1 day a week I'd like to like mix it up. So I will use that. I also got one of the Glam Glow Super Muds. I do like Glam Glow. I never buy it because it's really expensive. So anytime I get one in a beauty box, I'm like, woohoo, I got some Glam Glow. I also got the, Tart Quench. This is a hydrating primer. I've actually been wanting to try this. Go figure. So that's kind of cool. This is a nice size too. It's not really tiny. And then I also got the It Lash Blowout. I really wanted to try this too. This is kind of a jackpot this month. And then I got the, who is this by? Who makes this? It's the cake pencil. Why does this look like Kat Von D that's no longer Kat Von D? It's pretty. So a little eyeliner pencil, but I'm really looking forward to trying the It Lash Blowout. Okay, so that was the tiny bag. The big bag, I like this little drawstring bag. Sometimes it's nice. I'll put a couple things in here, or I'll bring these down to the beach to put beach class in. So I always like the bags. In the big bag, I got the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Golden Eye face mask. Eye masks. They're an eye mask. I don't usually do eye masks. I don't know why. I should probably do them. Maybe I'll try them this month. I also got, ooh, this looks exciting. It's the Refreshments Pillowy Shave Cream Citrus Spritz. I love, you know me, I love that Bath & Body Works shave oil. I love a good shave cream. Oh, this smells good too. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's really soft too. Ooh, I am actually really excited about this. This looks like it's right up my alley. Vegan, free of parabens, phthalates, sulfites, gluten, and nut oil. This looks really interesting. It's funny, I have grand plans that I want to start writing more on my blog and reviewing some of these individual products. I haven't had the time yet, but one of these days I'm going to start doing this. Juice Beauty, this is a, SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. This is always nice in the summer. This is a really good bag this this summer. Oh my gosh. I didn't mention too, Glam Bag has 5 full-size products, and you get to pick 3. In the Glam Bag, you pick 1. And then the medium bag, it's called, is $25 a month. So I forgot to mention that. But this looks really neat. I'm excited about this one. Okay, so then I got 2 more products here. I got a brush set. You know me and my brushes. These are from MOTD Cosmetics. I've never heard of these people, but I'll take their brush. I have a brush addict. Oh my gosh, look at how cute they're packaged too. They've got this like little, oh, these are nice. These are really pretty. They really fit the golden theme too. I like these. I'm a big brush person. And then I also got a palette. So how fun is this? I don't even know what palette I got here. What is this? It's called Golden Hour Beauty for Real Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette. Check this out. The theme really fits the bag this month, I'll have to say. Is there a mirror in here? Yeah. Ooh, these are, gosh, guys, these are so pretty. Okay, I gotta hold this up. Look at these shades. These are absolutely gorgeous. I gotta do my nails, by the way, they're a mess. These are beautiful. Oh my gosh, there's a shade here called Pink Sands. I really like the really like glimmery pink shades. I'm just gonna swatch this if I can. I don't know if I can swatch yet with my new lighting. I gotta figure this out. That's just like reflecting really bad. But it's a really pretty shade, you guys. Gorgeous. Okay, so that palette's a keeper. So anyway, super good bag this month from Ipsy. Both the bags were actually really good. I am liking everything I got. So like I said, the Glam Bag, $12 a month. The Glam Bag Plus, $25 a month. And I am part of Ipsy Open Studios, so Ipsy did gift me both bags for free, but everything that I've talked about is my opinion. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.